Okay, we already done download our data from Kaggle. This is where I place my dataset. And for now, we'll be open our Power BI. I'll search the apps. It's called Power BI Desktop. Click on it. After open the Power BI, and this is the interface of the app. And I will click on import data from Excel to import my data set. So before we transform into dashboard, we need to identify if the dataset have null or duplicate or blank in the column or row. We might to split their into different type of column. So if in order to do that, we need to transform data. Okay, this is the interface where we to want to transform the data. Transfer data actually we want to clean the data. We want to check if they have a null, blank, or error in this data set. Okay, I will check column by column by click on this little box. So if every column have null, blank, and so on, it will be appear on the top of this list. So since it doesn't have null, it will be okay. And next we check on the next column. It also okay. Yes. Gender. Ah, like I just said just now, we have blank. This blank we need to remove or filter it. First, we click the select all and click on blank, remove empty. Okay, it will be okay. After we do something transform, it will be apply. Apply step. It show here. If you want to redo the filter, we just click over here. Click the cross. Okay, we check to the country. Also have blank. Select all. Click on the blank. Remove empty. Okay. Okay. Go to the occupation. So this is the row also okay. Doesn't have blank or null. As everyone can see, it a lot of blank row in this column. So we just click here and select all and remove. So nothing blank. Check it. There. Okay. I think my data set is already have been cleaned by just checking the null or blank. And after that, we will do the dashboard. In order to do that, we need to click close and apply. Okay, the data has been loaded. We can just click here. Okay, this is the list of table just now. The first, I will start with the card. Okay, if this fail, we need to drag the thing that we want. For example, I want to drag the name. Double click and drag here. Okay, this can be edited by, we want to count it. We just click here and then click on the count. So there's about 47.33K list count of name. And next, I want to do about the location of our country. You can use the map. I'm so sorry. First thing, we need to click on the blank spaces to add another item at the dashboard. So we can continue with map. I want to put here. We can freely edit it whenever we want. Just like we want to put here or here, and it's up to you guys. So the country, I just click on the country, put the location and the legend. Okay, as you guys can see, the map is done. Okay, we can continue with the occupation. I want to choose this kind of bar chart. Okay, put here, occupation. This also. Show the list of occupation. If we want to use another visual also can. Let's say I choose this one, clustered bar chart. It will be look like this. We can change the color of this bar. Let's say we choose the format visual, go to the bars and click this button to become on. It will be show all of the bar, so we can edit one by one according to color that we want. So for example, I show you, I want to this become purple. It will turn into purple. If you want to just one color, you can just set on the default, click the color that you want, and it will become the color. Let's say this dashboard page 1 is already full. You can click on new pages, so we can create the visual over here, not only focusing on page 1. Okay, This is the result after I do some editing for my dashboard in Power BI. My data set is actually uh, represent about age of dead people. Uh, Over here is actually the count of name that has been written in this data set. We have country here. It shows where's the people who death come from, and this is their occupation. We have a lot here: artist, politician, athlete, researcher, and some more. We have gender. It show male, female, transgender. This is from uh, international, so it include some gender. And we have I changed the color of this bar into this just one color only, so easy to understand instead of variety of color. Next, I have two pages, and the second one I still put this count of name, and this is some of that year by death year, and this is birth year and by birth year. I do this actually use this visual to see the stage by stage. This can be choose via this visualization. We can choose variety of charts as long as it's suitable with our data. And also we can do some editing on format. We can edit the background, but I choose this as white background so people will know how the color is shown. And I think that's all for my explanation about dashboard using Power BI. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. I am Nur Afifah Aliyah Binti Zain, and that's all.